The displacement of the progressive wave is given. So let's see the solution. The displacement wave of the progressive is a sine omega t minus kx. That is called as the displacement of the progressive wave, where x is the distance and t is the time. So what is the value for this one? Okay, so that is the omega divided by k is equal to, what about the dimension formula? Okay, so first one is omega t, it is a constant. So then that is a omega is equal to 1 by t, that is equal to t to the power of minus 1. Then similarly k, it is kx. Similarly kx is constant. Then kx is equal to 1 by x, that is equal to, x is the distance. Distance means it is a L to the power of minus 1. So now put the values on this equation. So that is omega divided by k is equal to omega is t to the power of minus 1 divided by k is L to the power of minus 1. So then after the simplified, that is t to the power of minus 1 L to the power of plus 1. So which is the dimensional formula? L means what? It is a meter, measured in meter, minus divided by second time. So meter per second, that is a velocity. So now the answer for this question is velocity dimensional formula. I got it is here. So that is option A is the correct answer for 16th question. So K is the kinetic energy, V is the velocity, T is the time. If they are chosen the fundamental units, then the dimensional formula for surface tension. Okay, so what is the surface tension? We know that surface tension is equal to energy divided by area. So that energy means, energy is the work done divided by area. Then the work done dimensional formula is, work done is force into displacement, mass into acceleration, into displacement is L, divided by area is L square. Then the surface tension dimensional formula is M L to the power of 112 minus 2. This is a, cancelled each other, that is a L to the power of 0. Then T to the power of minus 2. That is the dimensional formula for surface tension. Okay, next one. So the surface tension is, okay, the surface tension is directly proportionality to the what? Kinetic energy, velocity and time. So that is the surface tension dimensional formula. Surface tension is, S is the surface tension, that is equal to kVt. So surface tension, k to the power of, okay, k to the power of x, y to the power of y, we don't know, z to the power of z, t to the power of z. So the surface tension dimensional formula is m2 L to the power of 0 t to the power of minus 2. This is the surface tension dimensional formula, that is equal to k. K means what? Kinetic energy. So what is the dimensional formula for kinetic energy? The kinetic energy is equal to half m square. Okay, half m square. So the dimensional formula is m L2 t minus 2. That is the dimensional formula for kinetic energy. Then velocity time. So kinetic energy dimensional formula, I got it here, m1 L2 T minus 2. So that is m L2 T minus 2. That is the dimensional formula for kinetic energy. This is power is x. Velocity is L T minus 1. That is the dimensional formula is y. So T to the power of what? Z. So according to the principle of homogeneity. Okay. So according to the principle of homogeneity. Okay. According to the principle of homogeneity, you have to powers. That is m L to the power of 0 T to the power of minus 2. That is equal to, so m to the power of 1 into x plus 0, only x. So then L to the power of 2 into x, 2x. So 1 into y plus y, then it is 0. So L to the power of 2x plus y. Then t to the power of, okay, t to the power of minus 2x minus 2x minus y plus z. So that is the dimensional formula for t. So comparing the powers according to the principle of homogeneity. Okay. So comparing the powers, we get the answer. So x is equal to how much? X is equal to 0. Then L. So 2x plus y. 2x plus y is equal to 0. Then the y is equal to how much? So the y is equal to, okay, so that is x is not 0. Let's see, x is equal to how much? So m to the power of 1, that means x is equal to how much? X is equal to 1. Okay, x is equal to 1. Then 2x plus y is equal to 0. Then 2 into, that is a y is equal to minus 2. Okay, y is equal to minus 2. So then 2x means minus 2. Okay, minus 2. This equation minus 2. X value is 1. 1 into minus 2, minus 2. Minus into minus plus y value is 2. 2 into 1, 2. Plus z is equal to t to the power of minus 2. That is equal to how much? Minus 2. You have to comparing the powers. This power and this power. This power and this power. This power and this power. So plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled. Z is equal to minus 2. So I got the answer. So all these three values. Okay. All these three values. So that is the surface tension is equal to K to the power of x. X means 1. Okay. Then second one, V to the power of y. So V to the power of y. Y value is minus 2. Then T to the power of z. Z is minus 2. So the final answer is the surface tension is equal to K to the power of 1. So v square, v to the power of minus 2, t to the power of minus 2. Okay, k to the power of 1, v to the power of minus 2, v to the power of minus 2, and then t to the power of minus 2. So which is the answer is correct matching. So that is option B is the correct answer for this question. Question number 18. If 3.8 into 10 to the power of minus 6 is added with 4.2 into 10 to the power of minus 5. So give the result. What is the insignificant figure? So this is 10 to the power of minus 5. This is 10 to the power of minus 6. You have to convert 3.8 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Then it is how to convert 10 to the power of minus 6 into divided by 10 and multiplication with 10. Okay, so then 10 into 4.2, 42. 42, 10 to the power of plus 1. So it will be shifted to the numerator, that becomes 10 to the power of minus 6. So then the final answer is 42 3.8 45.8 into 10 to the power of minus 6. It is 10 to the power of minus 6 is common. Add 3.8 plus 42. Okay, 42 plus 3.8 is 45.8 into 10 to the power of minus 6. So the result is 10 to the power of minus 5. So now the result is converted into 4. Okay, into 10 divided by 10. So now this is 1. Okay, dividing by 10, that is a 45, that is a 4 point. Okay, 4.4 4.58 into 10 to the power of minus 5. So according to the significant figure, giving the regarded significant figure. So in the round up, okay, round of the first decimal point, so that is equal to answer 4 point. This is a 5, next digit is 8, it is above 5, that is a 6. 4.6 into 10 to the power of minus 5. This is the answer for this question. 4.6 into 10 to the power of minus 5. The most of the students are okay, so you have to take the answer for A. This is not correct according to the significant figures. Okay, you have to round up the number. Okay, round up the number after the decimal point, depending upon the what you have to options are there. The velocity of water waves may depend on their wavelength, density of water, and acceleration due to gravity g. The method of the dimensions formula relation of these quantities. Okay, so let's see the solution. The velocity, okay, the velocity is depending upon directly proportionality to the wavelength, density, and acceleration due to gravity. So then the velocity is equal to, okay, velocity is equal to wavelength, density, g. So this is power is unknown, x, y, and z. Okay, so this is the equation. So the dimensional formula for velocity, Okay, so what is the dimensional formula for velocity? The dimensional formula for velocity is meter per second. So that is m to the power of 0 is equal to wavelength. Okay, the wavelength dimensional formula, wavelength is L. So L to the power of x. Then, so what is the dimensional formula for density? Okay, the density dimensional formula, density is equal to mass by volume. Mass by volume, that is equal to m L to the power of minus 3. That is m L to the power of minus 3 whole to the power of y. Then acceleration due to gravity, L t minus 2, that is whole to the power of z. Okay, so then, so that is m to the power of m to the power of m to the power of 0, L to the power of minus, that is 1, L to the power of 1, then m to the power of, okay, y, then L to the power of x minus 3y plus z, 1 into z, then t to the power of minus 2z. So comparing with the principle of homogeneity, m. So y is equal to how much? Y is equal to 0. Then minus 2z, this is minus 1, t. So minus 2z is equal to minus 1. Then z is equal to minus get cancelled. Z is equal to 1 by 2. Z is equal to 1 by 2. Then put z and y value. X, so in this equation, this is a power is 1. X minus 3 into y value is 0 plus z value is 1 by 2, that is equal to how much? 1. So then x is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 2. X is equal to 1 by 2. So x is 1 by 2, y is 0 and z is 1 by 2. So put all those values on equation number 1. So equation number 1 becomes v, that is velocity, is equal to density x. X means 1 by 2, then wavelength 1 by 2, density is y is 0, acceleration due to gravity z 1 by 2. So that is k is a constant, it is a proportionality constant. K is a proportionality constant, don't confusion. K is called as, it is a proportionality constant. It is given in the options, that is the reason I put is here. Otherwise, in the last problem, I cannot put the proportionality constant because in the options is not given k. Okay, so next one, that is a velocity is equal to k is as it is, wavelength is 1 by 2. Okay, wavelength is 1 by, it is a squaring on both sides because it is option is square. Okay, now let's see the squaring on both sides. So squaring on both the side. So squaring on both the side. Squaring on both the side. Squaring on both the side. That is a square. V square is equal to K square lambda. Okay, 1 by 2, 1. It is 1. Then 0. 0 means it is 1. Then acceleration due to gravity is 1. Okay, so this is the answer. So let's see which is the option is correct for this one. That is a K square. Okay, K square. K means it is a proportionality constant. You have to K is as it is K lambda G. Okay, K lambda G. That is a option B is a correct answer. Okay, that is option B is the right answer for this problem. The respective number of the significant figure. So this is 23.023. So how many significant figure? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because it is all those are number, that is the reason it is a 5 significant figure. Then 0.0003. This number is lesser than 1. Okay, this number is lesser than 1. That is the reason you have to, there is a no significant figures this side, only one significant, that is a 3 is a one significant figure. The 1 is a only one significant figure. Which one? 3 is a only one significant. These are not significant figures. Okay, next. So these are the not significant figure. Then the third one, 22.1 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So in this, it is 10 to the power of minus 3 is a not significant figure, only two significant figure. So the answer is 5, 1, 2. So 5, 1, 2. This is 5, 1, 2 are the significant figure. That is the option B is the correct answer.